Okay, we are gonna make uh, our family favorite snacks, and it is basically the best kept snack secret ever. We take some basic saltine crackers, and then we put that in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Hold on. Okay, our cheese crackers are nice and warm, and we are gonna finish up our snack. This is a perfect sweet and salty snack for kids, parents, families, parties. Normally people say, wow, that is very odd, but once you try it, it's amazing. I promise. Okay, our snack is ready for the taste test. Claire is gonna take a bite and see how it goes. Toasted marshmallows.
Oh, hot.
Maybe we should let it cool for a second, but
Mmm.
delicious.